scientific method. Now, if we are going to make these trifolds to be able to actually have them for the, basically as a review for when the test is coming. So let's get started. So, the scientific method, it basically took thousands of years to actually formulate these steps, and the scientific method is a process or steps taken to produce the reliable results to answer a specific question. Maybe you think that you've never actually used it, but you have. For example, imagine waking up on a Saturday morning and you couldn't find your cell phone. That's the observation. Then you do a little research by thinking where you have had it. You suspect that it may be in your back pocket from your pants, which is your hypothesis. When you check your pants, that is the experiment. But in science and life, it doesn't always go as planned. So you had no cell phone. Making it to where you make a second observation, which leads to, you think that it may be in your backpack at that point, thus requiring more research. And now you're checking your backpack for your cell phone, and there it is, which is the actual conclusion. You found your cell phone in your backpack. Once you do, you notice that your friends have been texting you, and you share your results and explaining to them why it took forever to respond. These are specifics. These are steps of the scientific method, and at any time, these steps you can actually go back and repeat these processes. Let's go to the observation. Basically, we're going to be talking about the problem in question. So you develop a question or problem that can actually be solved through an experiment. So then from there, you do some research and you observe it. When it comes to observations, you use all your five senses, so smell, sight, touch, hearing, and taste. And once you do, you finally find something that you're interested in. You formulate a hypothesis, which is basically a prediction or a possible answer to the problem or question. Okay? So let's look at an example for a hypothesis. An example probably could be like a gummy bear. A gummy bear's heart was placed in water for 24 hours, and then it's well over twice the size. So my hypothesis would be, if the gummy bear's heart were to be placed in water for 24 hours, then the gummy bear's heart will swell up in twice the size. So I would formulate that is my hypothesis, thus making me have to actually do the experiment. So I'll put the heart in the water for 24 hours and then check it. Then I collect and analyze the results. Once I do, I can make a conclusion. The statement from either accepts or rejects it. So then from there, I decide if it is, an actual hypothesis that is correct or incorrect. And once I do, I share the results. So then from there, I explain my results and presenting it, and just basically present my conclusion. Thus, that is the end of my period of instruction. If any of you have any questions about making this trifold, please just email me. And yeah.